Hello there, and welcome to Shooting the Poo with Sue. As always, I am Sue.
D. Hello.
And that's D. And today we have a little something different. I just brought a few goodies, nothing serious, for D or to keep at her house or whatever.
Ooh, I like that for D or for the house. I like that.
Nothing serious. It's not a lot of stuff. So, matter of fact, one thing is for me for when I come over here.
Oh, your chair. Oh.
Yeah. The first one I'm going to give you is this.
Oh. Look at how cute, my little blue fairy. See the bunnies chasing each other?
Yeah.
Look how cute.
Oh, she's going to get it up, put it with her other fairies. I'm always giving D fairies. Yeah, I brought a basket because Dee has got some things that she's going to do some crafts with. But there's a couple little things in there for her too.
Yeah.
She's so cute.
She is.
So, first thing is this.
Oh.
And there's a lot of them.
All right.
All different shapes and sizes.
So these are the Christmas balls that we get to paint and decorate with the kids.
You can put glitter in there. You can put Mod Podge and like little toys in there, or you can put melted crayons.
Right.
You can put paint,
so many
acrylic
different
paint,
things.
And there's all different sizes.
And
I think these open up to be able to put the. These
like
ones,
a snow
not
globe.
not the big
that
ones.
one, but this one, because I can see it. Yes, this one can open. We can make that a snow globe or something, ornament.
And then you got this kind, which is oval, not oval, but it's like thin.
Yeah.
But how cute are they?
They are wicked adorable still.
And these all came from a Michael's grab bag from that I got last year. I mean, this was $2.99 a piece for these.
Very nice.
Look at that.
I know, they're adorable.
And
I like them.
There's a whole bunch, like 20 of them in here, so all different sizes.
Nice.
So I thought that would be nice to do when you go to the
kids are gonna have a blast,
and the nieces and nephews and stuff.
Yeah, I gotta try to get
That's
that
okay.
Very nice, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, because my son's marrying into a family. His fiance has a brother who's married and have 3 kids.
Yeah.
So Jackson has 3 cousins, and that we get to spend time with them all the time. So they're gonna have fun painting it.
Right? I thought that would be so fun. And you don't have to do them clearly, not all at once, but like that could be a big family thing that you do, or it could be just something that you do like a couple times save it for a couple different years.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then there's this for that too, but this is different. Oh, I collapsed the bottom of this. Ow, I can't.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I know what these are.
I bought those years ago.
Oh, this is going to be so awesome. So this is a whole case of these white ceramic pots.
Yeah.
The kids are going to have fun painting them. And then I have dirt and I have all different kinds of seeds. We're going to let the kids choose what they want to plant and then have them watch it grow.
And like the little boys can put like basketballs and trucks, whatever they want.
Yeah, stickers,
you can do paint, stickers, right. And the little girls can do them the way they want.
So there's a case of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 in this box. Very nice. Thank you. I can't wait.
I bought these so many years ago, and I forgot I even had them till I was doing some spring cleaning, and I thought of you because I know you spend time doing games with the kids.
I was telling Stephanie, and then she told the kids, and they were all excited. They're waiting to do this.
Yeah, I thought that would be awesome.
Yes, this is going to be so nice.
So yeah, this isn't going to be a big video. This one's going to be a quickie because it's just got a few things.
Yeah.
Now the next thing is for me. I have a rocking chair that I have here because I don't have a yard where I live. So when I come to Dee's house, I sit outside, and I'm a whole lot of woman. So I got myself a whole lot of rocking chair, but it needed a cushion. So, what did I pay for this? $16.38.
That's not bad.
No, it's not. They're like 30 bucks a piece in the store.
Right, absolutely.
Ugh. And it's a big seat cushion with a back. And
Oh,
it's,
nice.
And it's got the elastic to hold on to the back of it.
Yeah. Oh, very nice, Sue. Very nice.
So, yeah, I thought, I don't know if they saw the elastic, but like, yeah, you put
Yeah, you
this
can
around
see
the
the
back
elastic. Yeah.
to hold it on, but it gave it a little cushion, a little something, something.
Right.
You know, when you're sitting on a chair and it's just after a while,
Absolutely.
your butt starts getting from that, what is it, like plastic netting almost, it feels like?
Right.
You know, or the edge of the chair, the metal edge.
Yeah, and then you get all sweaty on top of
For
that.
the price, this was perfect. And I mean,
Perfect.
you know, it's just for sitting outside. But,
Right.
oh, matter of fact, I could see my chair from here.
Oh yeah, your chair's still out there. It's right where it was when the last time you were here sitting on
With
it.
the boys.
Yeah.
I think there's only a couple more things in here, but I believe that they're all yours, so.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, let's dig in. Oh, a wireless network camera. Woo!
Well, I figured you could either use it in the house for when you're babysitting here,
Yeah.
or in your garage, because you had said that,
Yeah.
you know, you thought it might be good to have one out in the garage.
Oh, this
And
is nice.
It's got this to hang it up if you want to,
Yeah.
or you could just place it on something, and it comes with, it's rechargeable.
Very nice. Thank you very much.
So, here, let them see it.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
You gotta show it.
You do have to show it.
So, it's
Let
got
me
little,
show it now.
oh my goodness, it's got little antennae.
Oh, look at that.
And it moves, it's motion.
Almost looks like R2-D2.
It's motion now, so that
Oh.
it moves, and it moves up and down this way too.
Oh, this is going outside, right outside my door.
So, anyway, I think it's basically for indoors. I'm not sure if it's,
okay.
I don't know, you'll have to read.
I'll read it.
I don't know, but I figured, you know what, you said, that you didn't know if you were getting critters in your garage, and I thought, you know what, you could put this in the garage.
And then I could see.
You
right.
can find out if you were, 'cause, you know, they're nocturnal, they come at night,
That's right.
you know, so anyway, yeah. I got you a present.
Ooh, sponges. One can never have enough sponges.
Now, this camera was,
$3.99.
evidently, I can't find where I know I wrote on it somewhere. It must have been $3.99 because I can't find it.
You said you wrote on it.
I thought I did. But yeah, you can use that for inside, and you can use your phone to see.
Right, yeah, no, thank you. This is awesome.
I thought you'd like that.
Oh, I do.
I mean, that, you know, even if you wanted to use it inside and stuff, that would be great. Like when you're babysitting and you want to be able to just, you know, like you have to run to the bathroom and the baby's playing or something, you know.
Right.
Yeah, those are just kitchen sponges or bathroom sponges, whatever, but
No, these are nice. They'll
Check
come
it out.
in handy. I like the little scouring
there's
pad.
a dozen of them. It was $1.75 for a dozen of them.
Can't beat that. Look
I
at
get
that.
them all the time, Dave.
Nice little scrubbing pad on there.
They're great for your dishes, you know, or
Oh,
cleaning the
thank
bathroom
you.
or whatever. And
Thank you.
they don't get, like, you know, the other sponges get that mildewy smell and
Yeah,
stuff. Those
yes.
don't. When they
Oh,
start
they-
getting icky, you toss them.
Toss it, right. 'Cause you got 12 of them. Why not?
But
For
yeah,
$1 something.
I get them all the time, and I absolutely love them.
Thank you so very much. You're so very thoughtful.
I'm not thoughtful.
Oh.
Is that it?
Yes.
Oh,
So-
see, this was the little tape. The flex tape.
You know what? This is going to be perfect for where the bottom of the stairs are.
I just feel bad it's so small.
No, this is going to be perfect for right in
And
that
I don't know
area.
how much is on the roll. It doesn't look like a lot.
It's 2 inches wide. It's 2 by 5. But this is a large.
So it must be 5 feet long.
Yep. So it's 2 by 5. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Thank you. I'm
So-
going to use that at the bottom of the stairs. This is a waterproof tape to use to fix the pool liner. I'm having trouble with my line. I got a couple of tears. So we're gonna try fixing it. I have a big gigantic roll already, but I didn't think I had enough.
This was.
Yeah, I think that's
this
gonna be
was
perfect for the.
$250 for that. I mean,
Oh wow, I paid a lot of money for mine.
so I didn't know if that was a good price or not, but flex tape. Can they even see me over there? Or are they just seeing you?
No, they can see you, but now you seem to move because now it's more of me. Did this move?
I don't know. I can't see me over there.
Oh, all right. So. Oh,
That's for your front. It's a flag.
do. You know what? A flag blew away with one of the bad storms.
Oh no! Well, now you got a new one.
So now I have a new one. How cute!
Isn't that adorable?
It is adorable. It's a big paw. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you. That's going outside
You are
today.
welcome. So that was your little treats for today.
Aww.
I'm
You're
gonna
so
sneeze.
sweet. Thank you. God bless you.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh, this is a baby wipe. Why am I gonna?
Do you want me to get you one?
I wasn't trying to wipe my nose with a baby wipe. When the baby was here earlier, didn't want to use a dirty baby wipe.
No. Oh, he's a little dreamboat.
Oh my God, he's so cute. He likes me better on the phone because we do video chats. He liked me in person, but he's like, I think I like you better on the phone. You make me laugh
Well,
more.
this is his first time meeting you,
I
so
know.
he's going to see you again, and he will.
He will.
He will, and when he does, he'll get used to
I'm
you.
going to be the Auntie Sue with the best, squishiest hugs.
Mm-hmm.
That's just how I roll. I give the best hugs ever.
Yes, she does.
Anyway, like I said, it wasn't a big video today, but I was pretty happy to do it. I thought we had some nice ideas. I would love if you guys would film a little bit of, some of your crafts when you do them.
You know what? We will.
I would love that because I bet they would love to see what they look like.
That family is they take pictures of everything, so yeah, we'll film it.
Yeah, if they don't want to show the kids that tripod that I got you, you can actually just have it so the phone faces down.
Yeah.
And you can video it that way to just look at the hands and stuff.
Right.
And then I can put it on a video here.
Right.
And we can do it like that. That would be
Okay,
awesome.
yeah,
I mean, if they don't want their children, you know what I mean?
Right. Yeah. Well, I'll check it out definitely.
Yay!
Yeah.
That would be so fun.
That would be fun. That would be a cute idea.
It would be nice to be able to show people the
Right.
finished products, or at
Right.
least a couple of them, or
Right,
how
right.
you did it. So anyway, did you
Well,
like the video?
they had a blast with those punching balloons.
Until they popped.
Oh, until they popped. But I mean, no, they went through them. They were going one after another. They were having a blast.
That's good.
They did.
That's good. So I guess you used them all, huh?
Oh yeah, they're all gone. They're all gone.
I'm always thinking of stuff for the kids, though. Always. That's just.
That was nice. They enjoyed it.
I'm glad. I haven't met them, but I'm glad they had fun. I like to hear that.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Did you like this video? If you did,
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Like, love, share, comment. You know I love your comments.
Yes,
Definitely.
We do. Yes, we do.
So we're going to be doing another video in a few minutes, and I am going to show you something completely different. So stay tuned for sure. If you haven't subscribed,
What are you waiting for?
really, I mean, it's free. Hello. It takes nothing. It's free 99 for click that button, hit that notification bell,
Nice
and
coffee.
boom, you get to know whenever we're online. Being our jolly holly selves.
That's right.
Anyway, oh my goodness, I'm so happy to be doing this with Dee. We don't get to do it so often anymore.
No, we don't do any. We're both so busy. I'm busy. I go up to New Bedford for 2 days and take care of my little Jackson.
I know, but I'm
then
glad that you get to do that.
Me too.
I'm glad.
Me too.
But anyway, we got to do this today, so we're going to get 2 videos out of her. So, in the meantime, I want you to be happy, be healthy, be safe.
And be kind.
Oh, please be kind. We need so much more kindness in this world.
Yes, we do.
I actually encountered somebody today who was not very kind, and I very politely told him he wasn't very kind and that God doesn't like ugly.
Oh, that was perfect. That was perfect. Perfect.
I told him to have the day he deserves. But I was very polite about it. I mean, when he was rude to me, I said, well, thank you so much for your kindness. It was like there was just no need for him to be rude. I was not rude to him. I was very polite. So, I told him politely
You did it with
to have the
class.
day he deserved.
That's right. You did it with style. You did it with pizzazz.
That's right. Anyway, I hope you guys have the absolute best day ever. Enjoy the sunshine. And we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.